Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are on the lecture 2 on the topic shadows and eclipse, and we are going to discuss about the topic the moon shines because of the sun. As you all know, the moon has no light of its own. It shines because it reflects the sunlight. And you all see different phases of the moon also. And the moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. The earth has only one natural satellite, that is the moon. And the moon is the brightest object in the night sky. And there is no air or no water on the moon. That is why life cannot exist on moon. And the side of the moon that faces the sun is very hot, and that do not faces the sun is very cold. Okay, that is the topic. The moon shines because of the sun, because it reflects the sunlight. Okay, I hope that this is clear to you all. Now let's take up the next topic, that is the moon and the tides. So tides are the periodic rise and fall of the sea water due to the activity of the moon. Moon's activity is there, that is why tides occur. This image you can see is of which tide? Low tide. Okay, low tide. T-I-D-E. Low tide. It is low tide. And it is to be remembered that due to the Earth's rotation, 2 high tides and 2 low tides occur every day in the sea. 2 high tides and 2 low tides. This is the image of low tide you have seen. Now let's see the image of high tide. See, it is your high tide. Okay, the waves you can see, high tide. So the highest tide occur on a new moon day and on the full moon day. Okay, so I hope the topic moon and tides are clear to you all. One more important thing is there, that the low tide leaves many sea creatures like the moon snails or many sea creatures on the sea shore here. Okay, now let's take up the next part of this chapter, that is eclipse. So first let's discuss what is an eclipse. Eclipse is a shadow formed in the space that makes the sun or the moon invisible for some time. जो एक्लिप्स होता है वो एक शैडो होता है, और जब भी कोई भी एक्लिप आता है, या तो सन इनविजिबल होगा कुछ समय के लिए या फिर मून इनविजिबल होगा कुछ समय के लिए. ओके, सो यू हैव लर्न दैट द सन इज अ स्टार and it has fixed position. The earth revolves around the sun and the moon revolves around the earth. So there are 2 types of eclipse. First type of eclipse is your solar eclipse. Second type of eclipse is lunar eclipse. So let's see first solar eclipse. This is the diagram of solar eclipse. सो सोलर एक्लिप कैसे होता है, यहाँ पे सन रहता है क्योंकि सन का एक फिक्स पोजीशन होता है, वो रिवॉल्व नहीं करता है. और सन और अर्थ के बीच में क्या हो जाता है कि मून आ जाता है और मून अपना शैडो दे देता है. और जो डार्कर शैडो होता है उसे अम्ब्रा कहते हैं, और जो लेस डार्कर रीजन होता है उसे पेनम्ब्रा कहते हैं. ये देखो, ये वाला डार्कर रीजन है, ये वाला ये अम्ब्रा है, और ये लेस डार्कर रीजन है जो कि पेनम्ब्रा है. इसमें मून क्या होता है, सन और अर्थ के बीच में आ जाता है. सोलर एक्लिप्स भी 2 टाइप के होते हैं. फर्स्ट इज टोटल सोलर एक्लिप and the second one is partial solar eclipse. So what is total solar eclipse? A total solar eclipse occurs when the sun cannot be seen at all. We can't see the sun at all. And the partial solar eclipse means that some part of the sun we can see, means this part or half part or 1/4 part of the sun we can see in partial solar eclipse. Partial spelling is PARTIAL. Partial solar eclipse. And you should never view a solar eclipse with naked eyes, as it can damage your eyes also. Okay, so two types of solar eclipse: total solar eclipse and partial solar eclipse. Now let's see lunar eclipse. So this is the image of lunar eclipse. Here, this is your sun, this is your earth. इसमें क्या होता है कि सन और मून के बीच में अर्थ आ जाता है, और वही सेम है डार्कर रीजन हम लोग का अम्बरा होगा और लेस डार्कर रीजन पेनम्बरा. ओके, एंड a lunar eclipse occurs when the earth comes between the sun and the moon. The earth's shadow falls on the moon. Okay, and again lunar eclipse are of two types. The same name is there, the total lunar eclipse and the partial lunar eclipse. A total lunar eclipse is there we cannot see the moon, it is totally hidden. And the partial lunar eclipse is there where the part of the moon we can see, 1/4 part or half part of the moon we can see. सोलर एक्लिप्स में क्या होता है कि सन और अर्थ के बीच में मून आता है, और लूनर एक्लिप्स में सन और मून के बीच में अर्थ आता है, और डार्कर रीजन अम्बरा, लेस डार्कर रीजन पेनम्बरा. ओके, सो आई होप द एक्लिप्स आर क्लियर टू यू ऑल. So our chapter shadows and eclipse is completed. In the next video we will start with another chapter. Till then, thank you. Any confusion you can ask in the comment section box. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.